All right, thank you for joining. Today I'd like to go over Cardano, ADA, USDT, quick update. And as you can see, very straightforward video. Gonna make this quick. And right now we're looking at Cardano on the monthly time frame, right? So just taking a look at Cardano on the monthly time frame, you can see that clearly we are right above major support, right? Could even go to the weekly so you can get a better look. So this support and resistance level is very key because, as you can see, it held for a little while in 2022, failed, and then pretty much for an entire year was trading below this range, right? This level. So this was pretty much a nice accumulation phase, which lasted quite some time. Let's see exactly how long it lasted. About 427 days, right? Now we broke above, we flipped that resistance into support, and we are now trading above this support level, and we've been trading above this support level once again for quite some time, roughly about 175 days, which just shows us signs of strength. Now the good thing too about this is that we are currently trading very close to this support level, right? So if we now go ahead and take a horizontal line and just mark out the next resistance point, you can see clear resistance will be at 69 cents. Just call it 69 cents. So before price really went down and was trading within this accumulation phase, the last true resistance was at 69 cents. So when it broke out, it came right back to that resistance before retracing, trying to break above, holding it for about a week and a half before failing and back testing this area as support. So what does that mean? That just means that when you look at price action, right? Price likes to trade within ranges, right? It likes to stay within balance, and right now this balance will be between 45 cents and 69 cents, right? So it will range before breaking out and trying to find higher prices. So right now you always want to long the support and short the resistance, right? And right now we are at support, so ideally it makes a lot more sense to long instead of look for shorts, right? Now if you were to enter a long here, right, not financial advice, but if you were to enter a long, stop loss below the previous wick, this range is about a 55% range, right? So if you're very conservative, you don't really, you're not trading with high leverage, you could enter a long here, not financial advice, or I would enter a long here and just hold it until it reaches this level. It takes some profits, maybe 75%, and see if price will attempt to flip this level into support. If you see it start holding this level, then it will be smart to, or if I see it start holding this level, then it'll be smart to add back to the position, right? And if price was to wick down, the smartest thing to do would then be to place your stop loss below that wick low, right, wherever that may be. So just in case, if price was to come back down, you get stopped out, you're not still in the trade, it might rotate all the way back to the downside, and then obviously that's where I would be looking to re-enter a long position once again, right? So you just have to think about it the smart way. Right now it's at a beautiful area. You're right at support, not at resistance. It's very straightforward. You don't want to make this too complicated. Obviously I can go ahead and pull some fixed range volume profiles just to see the overall where the highest volume has been traded. Right now we are at the point of control. Let's go ahead and put this right here. So if we include the bottom range here, which you typically don't want to do, but if we include the bottom range, then the average low end would be at around 35 cents. But realistically speaking, let's go ahead and do it right here before the dump came. Value area low, look at that. So we're right at the value area low of the previous range, and that's exactly where price is hovering right above, right? And then we can go ahead and pull it from here too as well. We could even include this little bar, and we're right below it, so which is actually right at this point of control. So very important level is pretty much 46 cents. We flipped 46 cents into support, and now the probabilities of moving higher to tap this 69 cents range increases a whole lot. Okay, and as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm marking this line from the last pivot high right above this point of control, which is also right above the value area low. And if I zoom in, you'll see exactly what's going on here, right? So resistance, resistance, try to break above, failed it, resistance. So we really want to be trading above at least 47 cents. But like I said, you are still at range lows, so if we do get price to move down just a little bit more closer to this 40 to 43 cents area, obviously that's where you can see buying pressure came in, and that's where the best area to enter a long would be, right? You don't really, I mean, it's not bad getting in here, but the best area is definitely between 40 to 43 cents, right? So that's pretty much it. Very straightforward. Thank you for watching. In the end, I do expect Cardano to blast past all-time highs. In my opinion, very, very strong community, great project. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on X. I do a lot of updates. And that's it. Take care. Enjoy your weekend.